Hello everyone, this is English Tutor Hub official channel and welcome. In today's video, we're gonna be looking at animal terms, short list. So, let's get started. Here are words that we use for some of the most common animals on earth. Animal, plural, male, female, young. Ant, ants, male, it is called winged male, honor. Female, queen or worker. And young, it is called antling. Bird, birds. Cock, hen, nestling, fledgling. Cat, cats. Tom, queen, kitten. Chicken, chickens. Rooster, hen, chick. Cow, cattle. Bull, cow, calf. Dog, dogs. Dog, bitch. Young is puppy or pup. Elephant, elephants. Bull, cow, calf. Fish, fish or fishes. Male, female. Fry, plural, noun. Fox, foxes. Dog, Reynard. Vixen, cub. Horse, plural, horses. Male is stallion or colt. Mare, filly. Young is a foal. Kangaroo, kangaroos. Buck, doe, Jewy. Lion, lions. Lion, lioness. Cub. Monkey, monkeys. Male, female, infant. Penguin, penguins. Male, female, chick. Pig, pigs. Boar, sow, suckling or piglet. Rabbit, rabbits. Buck, roe. Bunny or bunny rabbit. Sheep, sheep. Ram, ewe. Lamb. Tiger, tigers. Tiger, tigress. A cub or whelp. Whale, whales. Bull, cow, calf. Wolf, wolves. Dog, bitch, cub. The next slide is a practice exercise. Animal term short list quiz. It tests the short list of animal terms in our vocabulary section. You have 5 seconds to give your answer before I'm gonna move on to the next item and give you the correct answer. If you think 5 seconds is not enough, you can pause the video. Number 1. A male chicken is called blank. A hen, B, a chick, C, a rooster. Answer is letter C. A male chicken is called a rooster. Number 2. A young sheep is called blank. A ram, B, a lamb, C, an ewe. Answer is letter B. A young sheep is called a lamb. Number 3. A female pig is called blank. A sow, B, a sucking, C, a boar. Answer is letter A. A female pig is called a sow. Number 4. A baby kangaroo is called blank. A cub, B, a pup, C, a joey. Answer is letter C. A baby kangaroo is called a joey. Number 5. A tigress is a blank tiger. A male, B, female, C, young. Answer is letter B. A tigress is a female tiger. Number 6. A foal is a blank horse. A male, B, female, C, young. Answer is letter C. A foal is a young horse. Number 7. A vixen is a blank fox. A male, B, female, C, young. A vixen is a blank fox. Answer is letter B. A vixen is a female fox. Number 8. Which word is used for a male elephant and a male whale? A, bull, C, boar, C, buck. Answer is letter A bull. Number 9. Which word is used for a female dog and a female wolf? A queen, B, a bitch, C, puppy. Answer is letter B, a bitch. And number 10, last item. Which word is used for the young of wolves, tigers, lions, and foxes? A cub, B, pup, C, calf. Answer is letter A cub. So this video ends here about animal terms short list. I hope you found this helpful, and if you like this video, please do subscribe, like, share, and let me know your thoughts and questions. Love to hear from you. Thanks for watching.